Have you ever heard people say that honey never dies? The secret lies in the living enzymes that bees bring when they make it. Enzymes like invertase, diastase, and glucose oxidase transform honey from simple sugars into a living biological system full of natural energy and antibacterial power. Thanks to these enzymes, honey isn't just sweet, it's a healing food that helps your body absorb nutrients and recover every day. Leaf fluttering in wind, so next time you taste a spoonful of honey, remember you're enjoying the sweetness of something still alive.